Good morning, student. This is the second part of the reasoning question of P block elements. We have discussed 10th questions. Now we are going to discuss the next questions. The question is NO is paramagnetic in gaseous state but diamagnetic in liquid and solid state. The answer will be NO has odd number of electrons, so it is paramagnetic, but in liquid and solid state it exists as dimer. So there is a no unpaired electron and it will be diamagnetic. You know the properties of paramagnetic and diamagnetic substances. Accordingly, we have to write the answer. And we know very well that NO gets dimerized and it forms N2O4. NCl3 hydrolyzed but NF3 does not. The reason behind this is very simple, because Cl has vacant d orbital to accept the lone pair from H2O, but in NF3 F has no d orbital. Nitrogen shows little catenation but phosphorus distinctly show catenation property. This question we have already discussed, because nitrogen single bond has greater repulsion due to this lone pair, so it is weaker than phosphorus single bond. Next question, +5 oxidation state of bismuth is less stable than +3. We have discussed such questions earlier also. Whenever such questions arises, you have to write inert pair effect, and the reason is inert pair effect. Bismuth in +5 oxidation state is a strong oxidizing agent. It is also because of inert pair effect, because bismuth +5 can be easily converted into Bi3+. Why? Because due to inert pair effect, +3 oxidation state is more stable. So it can easily be converted into +5 to +3 oxidation state. So it will be act as a oxidizing agent. You know very well Ns electrons are not taking part in the bond formation. That is why they are known as inert pair. Nitric oxide NO becomes brown when released to air because it oxidizes to NO2 and the NO2 is brown in color. Ammonia is good complexing agent or work as a ligand. Ligand word is new to you, but you will learn this word when you come to coordination compound or coordination chemistry. The ligands are the substances which can donate the lone pair. Ammonia has the lone pair, so it can be donate. That is why it is act as a ligand. It will act as a good complexing agent and it will act as a base also. Bi2O3 is not basic because Bi3 plus is very large, and so there is a very weak positive electric field around it, so it does not interact with water to release H plus. And when it will not release H plus, it will not be show the acidic property. And moreover, the acidic property decreases when we come from top to bottom in a group. BiH3 is the strongest reducing agent among the group 15 hydrides. Since BiH is the weakest hydride, so H2 gas is involved, which is reducing. You know that occurs due to the increase in size. Next question is N2 is less reactive at room temperature. That question we have already discussed, due to the highest bond dissociation enthalpy because it has triple bonding. Bond angle in pH4 higher than in pH3. It is lone pair role pair repulsion which is present in pH3, but it is absent in case of pH4 plus because it has low lone pair. Ammonia has greater bond angle than pH3. The both have the same shape, both have the same hybridization, but the difference is due to the size, and the nitrogen is more electronegative and the size is also considered, so that means there will be more repulsion, hence there is a greater bond angle. Next question, this question is from the NCERT, and this question is R3PO exists but R3NO does not, means N2 because we know there is a difference of phosphorus and nitrogen, and what can be the reason? Because N does not have d orbital, so it cannot form p pi d pi multiple bonding. Nitrogen exists as N2 but phosphorus exists as P4 because of the small size of the nitrogen, and N2 molecule can undergo p-pi multiple bonding, but phosphorus cannot form p-pi multiple bonding. That is why it is not present in diatomic form, but the nitrogen can present in H2. So the phosphorus is present in solid form. PCl5 cannot act as reducing agent because in PCl5 phosphorus has plus 5 oxidation state and 5 electrons are in the valence shell, so it cannot increase in oxidation state beyond plus 5. So it cannot be act as a reducing agent. It can be only oxidizing agent. Phosphorus is kept under kerosene because it is highly reactive. That is why it is kept under kerosene. H3PO3 is a syrupy liquid because it has intermolecular hydrogen bonding. PH3 bubbles but NH3 dissolves in water because NH3 can form hydrogen bond but PH3 cannot form. Only a small increase in radius is observed from arsenic to bismuth because of the poor shielding effect due to the presence of 10 d electrons or 14 f electrons, intervening electrons, which occurs due to poor shielding effect. So the effective nuclear charge decreases. Nitrogen is gas where phosphorus is solid at room temperature. Nitrogen is present in diatomic molecule having weak van der Waals forces, where the phosphorus is tetraatomic, so it has strong van der Waals forces. Nitrogen single bond is weaker. That question we have already discussed. This is because of the small size of the nitrogen, more repulsion is there. Maximum number of covalent bond formed by nitrogen is 4 because it has 3 1-paired electrons and 1 lone pair. That is why it can form only 4 bond. P2O5 cannot be used for drying ammonia gas because P2O5 is acidic. Why it is acidic? Because phosphorus is a non-metal, so non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. It reacts with ammonia in presence of moisture to form ammonium phosphate. NO2 is colored but its dimer N2O4 is colorless. This is because NO2 has unpaired electrons, so it can absorb light from visible region. Acidity of oxocyanide of nitrogen increases with increase in oxidation number of nitrogen because non-metallic character increases with oxidation number. As the oxidation number increases, non-metallic character also gets increased. White phosphorus is more reactive than red phosphorus because white phosphorus consists of discrete P4 molecules which is tetrahedral, so reactive, but in red phosphorus the P4 molecules are linked in extended chain structure, so it is less reactive. Phosphenic acid is monobasic or monoprotic because only one H atom is linked with oxygen which is ionizable, so it is monobasic. Nitrogen has higher bond dissociation enthalpy than NO because nitrogen has higher bond order. What is the bond order? It is 3. N2 and CO has same bond order but CO is more reactive because CO is a polar molecule. The next question, CH3 thrice N is pyramidal but SiH3 thrice N is planar. What is the reason behind this? Because CH3 thrice N is pyramidal due to sp3 hybridization and one lone pair is on nitrogen, but SiH3N is planar due to sp2 hybridization and its lone pair is donated to vacant d orbital of silicon 2,5 to form p-pi d-pi overlap. That is why it is planar. So this is all. I hope you all understood this question and will learn more question from this unit. Thank you.